And welcome back to Curly Ma. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a few different ways that I like to wrap my hair. Right now my hair is not the freshest. As you can tell, your girl is in need of a retwist, okay? But it's not time for me to retwist my hair just yet, so I've been wrapping my hair to still look presentable. And of course you can still use this tutorial if you have loose natural curly hair, because I always wrap my hair when it was loose natural as well. So I have a few different hair wraps here that I'll be showing you guys different styles on how to wrap your hair, just in case you need this too. But before we get started, make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up for me, and we can go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so I like to wrap my hair a few different ways, you know, just to mix it up. I actually don't have a lot of different head wraps that I use. I need to go to the store and buy some, but for right now I only have a few. This is actually one of my favorites. I bought this when I was in Vegas at the Beauty Supply Warehouse. It's on Craig and Camino El Norte, if you guys know where that is. But yes, this is one of my favorites right here. It's kind of, I think it's like 60 inches or something. It's like a rectangle shape, just to give y'all a little view of the shape that I like to use. But a lot of my other things that I wrap my hair with, like this one, this is a scarf. It's not a hair wrap. So what if you don't have hair wraps, or if you don't know which ones to buy, you could just get a scarf and that works too. So I am gonna go ahead and get started. One of my favorite wraps to do right now is a low bun. So I'm going to show you guys that one first. And my camera and my mirror are in like kind of two different spots, so I'm sorry if I'm like looking this way, just to make sure I get it right. But you're just going to start off by putting your hair in a low bun, and my locks don't even reach all the way. Like some of them still don't reach all the way, so if they don't, that's okay. Just put it in some type of bun down here in the back, like so. And I just put it in a bun like that. And I like to put this, it's just like a bandana on for some of these wraps, because some of the scarves I use, especially like this one, my favorite one, it's really slippery. Like it just slides off my head if I don't use like some type of cotton. This is a cotton based bandana. So I'm just gonna wrap this on my hair as well, just like that. And I'm gonna tuck these away so you can't see them. And I like to have, you know, like a little of my baby hairs showing, so I'm gonna move that back a little bit. So I'm gonna start off with this one. And so I like to place it on my head like so. And kind of match it up with the scarf that I've already placed on there. So this is the back. Just loop it through. I'm gonna try, this one's a little short, and that's another thing I want to mention. Try to get, like, you saw it was like a rectangle shape. Try to get a bit of a longer rectangle, not so skinny, because that will help wrap your hair so much better, because all the tucking and stuff I be having to do is annoying sometimes. So I recommend getting like a thicker type of scarf. But then I just wrap this around, twirl it like so, just wrap it around the bun back there and tuck. And you're gonna do the same thing with the other side, just wrap it. Wrap it around and tuck. See? Oh, I gotta tuck this part. There you go. And then of course you can do your little baby hairs. Just swoop them things so you know your style could be popping. But yeah, so that's one of my favorite styles. Super easy, super simple. Okay, now we can move on to the next style. Y'all see how that just slid off my head? That's why I like to put this on. So for this next style, I like to put my hair in like a ponytail, not a bun, because I like to leave this one out, leave my locks out. So I'm just gonna put all of my hair to the top, tippy top of my head. This is kind of like a pineapple style. Tippy top. My hair. Like so. And I'm gonna be using my black scarf. This one, see, this one's like, this is kind of the shape that you want. The other one, as you guys saw, was like thinner. So this is like the shape that you want. You can always fold it to make it thinner if it's like too thick for you. You can always fold it like this to make it thinner, which I'm actually gonna do. I'm actually gonna fold this one in half because for this style, it's too thick. So I'm gonna fold it in half. Like this. And with this one, you don't have to use the cotton, or you can. It just depends on if the scarf is like really slippery and it's slipping off your head. Okay guys, so you're gonna take the shape like this and put it on the back of your hair. Like so. And always make sure that the two pieces in the front are even. It's the easiest way. You're gonna kind of crisscross. And you twist it and wrap it around. And you twist the other side. And wrap that one around. And this is not coming out how it's supposed to. This one is a bit more difficult. I don't know why. It just is. So we're gonna try again. Go behind the back. Crisscross at the front. I'm just taking all my locks out so I don't tie them in. So you crisscross at the front and kind of tie at the back to make this easier. But then you kind of tighten it up at the top, and then you tuck to hide those little frillies or whatever you want to call them. you just do this same thing with the other side. You might have to adjust. See, I should have used my cotton scarf because it's kind of sliding, but you guys get it. So that's the other style. Oh, this one is trying to come out. This one, like I said, is a bit more difficult. I think it just depends on the material that you get. So, but yeah, that's another style that I enjoy doing. Let's see. Another one that I like to do is not so much of a wrap, but it still gives you that pineapple effect on the top of your hair. I really like that, like when the locks are kind of just like a pineapple, the spikes at the top. I can't wait until they fully lock, because then they'll actually like stick up and hold up. This next one, I'm just going to put all my locks at the top again. Put them in a ponytail like so at the top. And then this is actually like a little headband, but I use it as like a wrap-ish type of thing. And of course I would like make sure, you know, it look good and sleek right here, as sleek as you can get it with locks, of course. But for my loose natural grows, you know, y'all can sleek it up real nice. And I just take it. It's kind of like putting it on like a ponytail holder, but we are going to thicken it out once I finish. So like that, and then you're gonna want to pull it up so it makes your locks stand up a little more. And I really like this style as well. Of course, don't worry about the back, okay? Don't look at my little bead of beads. Imagine this all, you know, slicked up and stuff. But yeah, this is another style that I enjoy doing. Okay guys, so this next style that I enjoy doing, you're gonna have to put your hair in a bun at the top. And don't worry about if everything doesn't fit up there. I'm just gonna put it in a light bun like that. Some of those sticking out. And I'm gonna take my scarf or head wrap, whatever it may be that you're using, and wrap it around the back. Come around the front. Wrap it around. And then you just tuck it in the back. So that is another style that I enjoy doing. And don't mind if they're a little loose. They'll be tighter, but just for tutorial purposes, just want to give you all the basis of how to wrap it. So those are 4 different ways to style your locks or your loose natural hair. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I do plan to come out with another hair wrap tutorial in the future, of course, when I get more wraps and when I get better. But please make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that like button if you like the video, and don't forget to share with all your friends. I love you guys, and I will see you next time.